All right, so as you can see, I already bought Euro JPY. So there's something I was teaching about stop loss order. Okay, I was teaching about stop loss order in one of those classes. So if, as this one is going up, I've bought Euro JPY and price is moving up. If I want to add stop loss, that is, I'm trying to tell the app that if price gets to this certain place, you should stop me out. I am okay with this loss. Okay, so for example, just click the face, right? Look at the face of the MT4. Just click the face, touch this thing that looks like a triangle. Look at values, touch this thing that looks like a triangle, touch this plus sign, then look at this horizontal vertical line. Just click anywhere, you see, just click anywhere. You can move it because this part I highlighted. You can just move it and then maybe put your stop loss under here, which is 140.578, 140.589. So you just go to your dashboard, just click this other side where your values are reading. So just long press Euro JPY, you will see close order, new order, modify order. So just make sure you know the value you placed here, 140.589. So just long press it, 140.589. So you see there's a red line here and there's a green line here. So just click the red line side is the stop loss order. The green line side is the take profit order. If you remember, in the class we did the theory and I told you that the practical will make more sense. So the red side, click the plus sign around the red side and then set that value to 140.589. You remember, you see modify under, click modify. Then the other one to long press it. There are two Euro JPY, modify order, click it, 140.589. You modify. So order has been modified. So if I remove, you see the order there, there's this red dotted line. So in case our analysis was wrong and price, instead of price moving up, that is buying, it begins to go down. If it comes down to this place, this SL, it means it will stop us out. That means our trade was not correct. Okay. So that's what it is. So I want to put take profit. For example, if I want to take profits, around this place, 144.096, 144.096, I will go to this place again. I will long press it, 144.096. So instead of this side, I'll do it here, 144.096. Take profit 144.096. So I'll click modify, and the other one 144.096. So I'll click, see, yep. So I have set both, you see, I've set both the take profit and the stop loss. So if price goes down, if it goes down like this, I have lost. If it goes down and hits this one, it means I have lost. If it goes up and hits this particular TP, then it means I have made money. Okay, so that is how it works. So for CHF JPY, you can do the same. Just long press it, modify order. No, just check it first. Let's check the chart. For this one, just check the chart, and so we can say, okay, our stop loss should be on top. Our stop loss should be somewhere around here. Don't worry, when you join the mentorship, you will understand the full analysis and how we arrange this. Okay, 135.879, 135.879. So if you want to put your your stop loss there, fine, but the stop loss is very wide. Okay, or you want to put it here, 135407. Okay, you can just go and long press 135.047. Is it 47? I don't know. It will 135.407. 407. Then you long press the second one, 135.407. So remember, I'm just taking the trade, okay? And Sunday will show you analysis how we do and all of that. So I think that is that for now. I think if I want to close a trade, I would like to close Euro JPY, because this is a CHF JPY I am looking as a good trade. Okay, but Euro JPY too is looking promising from what I'm seeing, and this one also. But anyway, okay. All right, that's it.